Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base, then place the cover over the gas lift. Next, attach the backrest to the seat cushion with mechanism using L-bar screws. Your arms are labeled right and left. Connect your arms to the bottom of the seat cushion. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.